Thank you, Dr. Doni. Thank you, Prof. Kana. Thank you, Dr. Anthony and Dr. Rini. This is my 2 weeks ago my case about with hybrid management abdominal aortic aneurysm with aorta iliac TAS dilation. Introduction, we know the hybrid procedure in the world is rarely, but the hybrid procedure is safe, feasible, good outcome, less complication, intra-procedural, patency graft, and stand good for long term. But it is very cost, and the Sky Journal, TASD and AAA, the recommendation for surgery. But the future hybrid is good outcome. This is my case, is 72-year-old Chinese ethnic. The symptom is abdominal back pain, claudication, and history melanoma and carcinoma colon, no chest pain, dyspnea, ex-smoker, and risk factor, hypertension. But the bump at the center abdominal, less pulse bilateral arterifemoralis. The investigation laboratory is normal, creatinine 0.9, the AB below the bilateral AB is 0.9, the echocardiography EF 69%, and endoscopy is varices esophageal. This is photo is normal, ECG normal, and endoscopy is have the problem esophageal varices. And the CT scan, you can see this is AAA, and the aortic iliac TASD. It is bad combination. This is AAA and aortic iliac TASD. This is diameter is 5.0 only 5.6 and aortic iliac TASD. This is bad combination for treatment. And how do I treatment? The problem also the patient is elderly, high risk bleeding, renal failure, the risk renal failure and risk mortality increasing also. And we do collaboration with the vascular team in the hospital, clinical meeting, discussion with the interventionist, gastroenterologist, vascular surgeon, anesthesiologist, and family. If only surgical, this patient, the many guidelines, the very high risk, bleeding, elderly, many complications, long-term hospital, and increase the mortality and low cost. If only endovascular, the impossible, because bad combination, AAA and aortic iliac TASD, and the high risk rupture and perforation and increased mortality. And the hybrid, EVA and bypass the femoral sinister and dexter same time is high cost, but less mortality, fast recover, and short-term hospital and less complication. This is my plan. Auto unilateral iliac. This is EVA, and the same time the surgeon to bypass the graft GSV from the femoral right to left. We know the use graft GSV and why no PTFA, because many journal GSV is effective, no expensive. GSV also they have patency graft 93 until 95% in 5 years, and auto unilateral iliac is so good result, and femoral to femoral cause offer also good outcome for long term. And how do my procedure is the access from 3 access from left brachial artery, the width 6 frames, and cut down from left and right femoral artery, and the surgeon also the preparation graft with the right GSV. This is me and surgeon. The first change from right femoral artery, I do the retrograde approach, but it's very difficult. I have spend my time is 1 hours. Many technique retrograde intraluminal, subintima with trauma hydrophilic, ES command. This is my first chance is 1 hour. Retrograde technique intraluminal, subintima with G with trauma hydrophilic is sometimes with body balance, body guiding catheter, still false lumen. The still try is fast lumen, and the second chance from the anterograde from brachial, and the guiding catheter, the push the cerumo, and sometimes the common is still fast lumen and collateral also. And this is very good. 2 hours I spend time, and the surgeon have the reanastomosis. And I have to remember the TCT 2018, the peripheral CTO, he have the anterograde and retrograde technique. I have just the anterograde wiring, anterograde technique, and the mixed small dissection. I have from the anterograde technique with just the subintimal and push until cross the lesion, until the push away and the lesion and go to intraluminal. This is my my plan. Because the plan 1, 2, 3 I am failed. This is my last chance. Peripheral CTO useful. I remember is roadmap technology because this is less contrast and we can to see the anatomical. And I push the anterograde wire fiber brachial artery with the subintimal technique and have this kissing wire safari technique, and I push from the anterograde technique with the subintimal until the proxima externa iliaca go to intraluminal, and the push, the surgeon catch the wire from the cut down and pull up the wire by the clamp. This is the last. Check the contrast, intraluminal, proximal anterior distal. I am go to the predilatation, the balloon 8.080, and the pressure ATM 6, 18 ATM, and inflate 1-2 minutes, slow by slow, from ostial common iliaca to distal common iliaca. And see is good. After this, I changed the wire with the Landerquist with the MP 6 frames, and the injection contrast takes position from outer iliac femoral line on intraluminal. This is good. After that, I deploy a graph 32.
Excuse me, Dr. Reza.
And the second graph 12.0100 and third graph 1280. The problem see again endolic type 1A maybe in proximal graph. This is I'm use the post dilatation balloon 20.0 and 46 in proximal, also in junction. See this is still endolic, but is less than.
Excuse me, Dr. Reza.
Yes.
Yes. Sorry, but sorry to interrupt you, but the time is getting over. Please.
Okay.
It's all 7 minutes.
Yeah. Spell endolic type 1B. Before finish the surgeon anastomosis and plan CT angio. The procedure is rest bleeding is dropped, but I can to resolution confusion and kidney injury also. I can do rehydration and no acute limb ischemia, perforation infection, and fast discharge in 4 days. And CT scan after 1 week is good. Sealing is okay. No endolic.
Okay, that's good. You can
this is
jump to the last slide, maybe the conclusion.
Yeah. Okay. The conclusion. This is okay. Good. This is before and in the last. And the home method hybrid procedure is compact aortic iliac disease is good outcome, and auto-unilateral iliac disease is less data in developing countries. CTO iliac is good for subintimal technique, and useful the roadmap technology is important during procedure peripheral intervention. Patency graph GSW is effective and more potential 5 years and more expensive, and good vascular team is good result. Thank you.
Okay, very impressive case. So due to the limit of time, so I ask directly to Prof. Kana, is what do you think about it? It's very complicated to me.
Yeah, it's a complicated case. I had just two observations here. I mean, whenever you are doing an aorto uniiliac procedure with a FEM bypass, you need to occlude the contralateral internal iliac artery so that, or you have to plug the common iliac artery because you may not have a retrograde filling into the aneurysmal sac because of the pelvic collaterals or abdominal collaterals. So, did you do that as well here, or you left it?
What? The patient, the patient life. This is the follow up, the continue the next month in CT angio. The patient no. What?
Did you embolize?
Not embolize. I didn't embolize.
Normally, you need to occlude the contralateral iliac so that the blood doesn't flow from collaterals via internal iliac to common iliac and back into the aneurysm.
Yeah.
So, prevent that sort of a retrograde leak into the aneurysm, it's always wise to occlude that with an occluder. But because later on, when the pressure increases, the pressure rate increases slowly, you may find that the aneurysmal sac is not getting reduced, and there's enough tension in the aneurysm outside the graft, and then they are likely to get ruptured over a period of time. So it's always better to do that. But otherwise, the case was very complex and was done very well, and I really like the technique of flossing which you did for opening the CTO, and that actually saves a lot of problems for the patient because you can do a lot of endovascular techniques. You don't have to open the abdomen, and you can just do a FEM by doing a subcutaneous bypass at the level of the groin. So that was a very well done case. Keep it up, and you're always impressed by the interventional skills of Indonesians, and the meticulousness in their procedures. Thank you so much, Dr. Dhoni, Dr. Antonia.
Thank you, Prof. Hannah.
And very nice of you to support this conference, and hopefully we will see you next year soon in our conference.
Thank you very much, Prof. Hannah.
Thank you.
Congratulations for the very nice event.
Thank you so much. Thanks.
Bye-bye.